Alright, it's been a while since my last video. Thought I'd guys show you what I'm doing. The top end here for the 86 200X. So I'll just start at the beginning. Try to do this as the first video in a while, so I'll just try to do it real quick. This is my trailer, so it's become my shop. Alright, just start at the beginning. Easiest way to tell an 86, square tube frame. It's all square. Everything's redesigned. It's got the carrier bearing. This one's actually in pretty good shape. So, guys, don't be afraid to take apart your motor. It's actually designed so nice. The top end's like 3 major pieces. Let's start here. Okay, you got your rocker arm cover. Has a little rubber gasket in there, so don't be afraid to pop it off. That's a crappy one. I got 2 of these motors. Okay, so don't be afraid to pop it off there. And this one right here is the correct one, totally stock. So long bolt, long bolt, long bolt, long bolt, short bolt with the little copper rings there and there. I don't know why, it's just the way it came off. And on mine, it had a hard knocking noise because the valves, someone tightened them wrong. And right here you could see it wore a groove in the cam. Where's that other cam? Oh, either way, just take this cam. Here's the good cam I have. Till there's no heat scoring on it. Just sets in there real nice. Sorry, the valve's on the other side. Oh, I know what I did. I threw it back into this motor down here. So, okay, and the valves, there's 2 springs, a washer, and the little retainer bolts. Just press it down, use a magnet to pop out the 2 retainers. The valve slides out and you can reseat it, just normal on that. Okay. Alright, so you take your head. It goes on here like this. Oh wait, you know, the cam chain runs right here. And it's real easy to line up. And then your, let's use the crappy one. Your rocker cover, or whatever you want to call it, sits on here like so. Alright, so I'm going to make a couple videos on how to redo this thing. This is just the first one before I forget. Oh, never mind. Okay, so you have the actual rocker arm assembly deal here. Goes next. Which way does it go? Yeah, it goes this way. Like so, right? There's a spark plug right here. And then the rocker cover top here, which goes real quick. Come on. Like so. Sorry about this. Alright, so adjusting your valves. It's super easy. You don't have to take anything off to adjust your valves. But like I said, if you have a knock noise like I had here, and also your compression release right here, this guy, it pushes down on the rocker arm. If you adjust your valves, you have to adjust your compression release again. And this is a little sight hole, so you'll open this hole, loosen this up. We'll just take it off for right now because this is the crappy one. It's hard doing it through the camera. Okay, so when you adjust it, it makes the valve go up and down, right? It's lobed. So when I adjust it like this, it pushes against the cam. And the cam, in which all this stuff's pretty cheap. If you want a better cam, go to webcam.com, and they have ones with higher lobes, and you can get a piston that has a higher compression. But the higher compression you go, you can't run regular pump gas. You have to start running racing fuel. Well, this is a 65.5, I think, millimeter. I don't know how to check. But okay, let's just do this real quick. So to replace, see how it's rubber? Comes right off, and you can put it right back on. So the top end comes off real good. And these bolts come out. This little shaft slips out, which releases your rocker arm. And if your rocker arm looks like that, that's bad. So that's what my knocking noise was coming from. It was slapping the cam lobe. So here's the one that got fried. See if you can see the score marks. Alright, so parts are in the mail. And I'm going to be doing the top end on this year. So keep watching for my next video. Any questions, post them in the comment section. I'll answer all my comments. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.